Hey, my fantastic foodie friends. Welcome back to Wise Wellness Wisdom, where we turn ordinary veggies into extraordinary tales. Today, prepare to be enchanted by the magic of zucchini. Yes, you heard it right. The unsung hero of the veggie kingdom. So, grab your snacks, cozy up, and let's embark on this zucchini adventure together. Now, imagine a time when my taste buds took a stroll down the zucchini lane. It was like a revelation, a friendship forming right there on my plate. I thought, why haven't we been BFFs before? Today, I'm sharing the love story, my love affair with zucchini, and you're invited to be a part of it. Who knew this humble green squash could bring such joy? But before we dive into the veggie drama, here's a zucchini-inspired joke to tickle your funny bone. Why did the zucchini go to therapy? It had too many squash issues. Alright, let's get back to business. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, zucchini. What makes it so amazing? Well, buckle up because we're about to break down the what, how, when, and why of this green powerhouse. First off, the what. Zucchini is like a nutrient-packed superhero. It's low in calories, but high in essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Imagine it's not just tasty, it's a nutritional powerhouse that's about to rock your world. The how. Ever wondered how zucchini works its magic on your health? It's not just about saying it's healthy. Let's get into the science. The fiber in zucchini promotes digestive health. The antioxidants support your immune system, and its hydrated nature keeps your skin glowing. It's like a spa day for your body. The when. When should you consider adding more zucchini to your plate? Well, any time is a good time. But if you're aiming for weight management, having zucchini as part of your meals can help you feel full and satisfied. It's like having your veggie companion cheering you on. And the why. Should you care about adding more zucchini to your plate? Well, my friends, it's about promoting heart health, aiding digestion, and boosting your body's natural defenses. Zucchini is like the unsung hero in your veggie lineup, quietly doing wonders for your health. Can you believe it? I was chatting with my nutrition savvy friend the other day, and they dropped this zucchini knowledge bomb on me. I was mind blown. Who knew one vegetable could be such a game changer for your well-being? Now, I'm passing on the wisdom to you. Consider it a veggie secret between best buds. Now, here's where you come in. Picture us sitting in our cozy kitchen, sipping tea and chatting about zucchini. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you had your own zucchini adventure? Share your favorite zucchini recipe or how you like to enjoy this green goodness. Let's swap foodie secrets, just like we're having a kitchen conversation. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about the many ways you can indulge in zucchini deliciousness. Whether you're a kitchen pro or a novice chef, there's a zucchini recipe for everyone. Zucchini noodles, a game changer for pasta lovers looking to cut back on carbs. It's like having your pasta and eating it too, but with an extra dose of veggie goodness. Grilled zucchini boats, the perfect summer BBQ edition. Picture this. Zucchini halves loaded with savory goodness, grilled to perfection. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Zucchini fritters, a crispy delight that will make your taste buds dance. It's like zucchini's way of saying, hey, I can be the life of the party too. Now, before we move on to more mouth-watering zucchini adventures, here's a little favor to ask. Hit that subscribe button. Why, you ask? Because you're not just subscribing, you're joining our foodie family. Together, we're exploring the world of deliciousness, and your support means the world to us. So, smash that subscribe button like you're smashing garlic for a savory dish. Alright, let's circle back to the health benefits because, trust me, there's more to uncover. Zucchini is like a superhero with multiple powers. Weight management. The fiber content in zucchini can keep you feeling full, making it a fantastic companion on your wellness journey. It's like having a healthy sidekick that helps you stay on track. Eye health. The antioxidants, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, are like bodyguards for your eyes, defending against age-related macular degeneration. It's like giving your eyes their own superhero squad, the vitamins and minerals. When you enjoy zucchini, you're not just savoring the taste, you're loading up on vitamin C for boosted immune system, potassium for heart health, and fiber for a happy digestive system. It's like a nutrient-packed symphony for your body. Okay, time for another interactive moment. Picture us sharing a laugh and enjoying our zucchini creations together. Comment below and tell me, which zucchini recipe are you most excited to try? And if you're already a zucchini aficionado, share your tips. Let's create a virtual cookbook together. Now, let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Zucchini isn't just a veggie. It's a nutrient-packed superstar that supports your health in multiple ways. From promoting heart health to aiding digestion, this green wonder is a must-have in your kitchen. We've explored different ways to enjoy zucchini, from zoodles to grilled delights and crispy fritters. Whether you're a culinary genius or a cooking newbie, there is a zucchini recipe waiting for you. Before we part ways, remember to hit that subscribe button. It's like securing your VIP pass to our foodie adventures. We post new videos every day, and your support keeps the kitchen fires burning. Come back for more deliciousness. And until next time, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep enjoying the flavors of life.